Welcome to Mars Explorer Hub, a place where Mars is not just a distant red dot in the night sky, but a forbidden world filled with ancient secrets, silent witnesses, and unanswered cosmic questions. This is not an ordinary space channel. This is Mars Explorer Hub, where science meets mystery, where facts collide with fear, and where every image from Mars feels less like a discovery and more like a warning. Here, we don't just talk about planets, we uncover forgotten histories, lost civilizations, and possibilities that challenge everything humanity believes about life in the universe. Mars has been watched for thousands of years, worshipped by ancient civilizations, feared as a god of war, and studied by modern science. Yet even today, it refuses to tell us the full truth. On Mars Explorer Hub, we dive deeper than surface dust and rover tracks. We ask the questions others avoid. Was Mars once alive? Did intelligent beings walk its surface long before humans existed? Are there structures beneath the soil, hidden caves, or underground worlds still occupied by something unknown? Every mission, every anomaly, every shadow captured by NASA raises one terrifying possibility: that Mars is not empty, only quiet. And silence in the universe is often the loudest sign of intelligence. So if you are ready to go beyond official explanations, beyond comfort, and beyond Earth itself, fasten your seatbelt, because this journey is not about exploring Mars. It's about discovering what Mars has been hiding from us all along. Welcome once again to Mars Explorer Hub. And as we move deeper into this journey, the reality of Mars begins to feel less like science fiction and more like an unfinished truth. Mars Explorer Hub is not here to scare you with fantasies, but to disturb you with possibilities backed by science, data, and unanswered evidence. Because when we study Mars closely, we don't just see rocks and dust. We see patterns, scars, and silence that feels intentional. Why did Mars lose its atmosphere so suddenly? Why do we find signs of ancient water everywhere, yet no clear explanation of where it all disappeared? Why do rovers keep discovering underground caves, lava tubes, and deep-shadowed regions that could easily hide entire ecosystems? Some scientists believe these underground worlds may still be warm, protected from radiation, and capable of sustaining life even today. And if life adapted there once, what stopped it from becoming intelligent? On Mars Explorer Hub, we explore a chilling idea: that intelligence does not always seek contact. What if Martian beings evolved beyond conflict, beyond expansion, choosing isolation instead of domination? What if they learned from the destruction of their own planet and decided to remain hidden while watching humanity repeat the same mistakes on Earth? Strange anomalies in satellite images, unexplained signals, and sudden mission silences raise questions that official explanations struggle to fully answer. Every time a rover stops responding, every time data is delayed, conspiracy meets curiosity, and curiosity refuses to die. Some theories go even further, suggesting that Mars was once the birthplace of advanced life, and Earth is merely its second chance. Meteorites from Mars have already been found on our planet. If rocks can travel between worlds, why not life? If that is true, then aliens on Mars may not be strangers at all. They may be our ancient relatives, watching their younger civilization grow, fight, and destroy, just as they once did. And now, as humanity prepares to send humans to Mars, the universe stands at a crossroads. Because the first human footsteps on Mars may not mark the beginning of exploration, but the moment of first contact. So stay with Mars Explorer Hub, because what you are about to hear is not just a story about aliens or a distant planet. It is a story about origin, survival, and a truth buried beneath red dust, waiting patiently for the day humanity is finally ready to face it. Mars Explorer Hub also explores the unsettling possibility that we are already being observed. Not contacted, observed. Humanity's radio signals have been leaking into space for over a century. Nuclear detonations on Earth would be visible from afar. Our technological noise grows louder every year. If intelligence on Mars still exists, even in a reduced or advanced form, it would already know we are here. The real fear is not whether we will find aliens on Mars, but whether they have already decided what kind of species we are: explorers or destroyers. As space agencies race toward human missions, the question becomes ethical as much as scientific. What happens if we drill into regions that were never meant to be open? What if the act of exploration itself becomes an act of intrusion? History on Earth has shown us what happens when advanced civilizations encounter fragile worlds. Mars Explorer Hub dares to ask, will humanity repeat the same mistakes below?